Hey, Joe from Boulet's Garage. So if you're trying to find out a way to offset your heating costs, I think I might have a little solution for you right here. I'll tell you about it next. Alright, here's my waste oil heater. They don't call it a waste oil furnace. It's pretty basic, and I wanted something for years at my shop. I've been here 7 years. And I wanted something to offset the cost of the heater I have on the ceiling there, which is a propane heater, and I take in city gas and a propane from the line, and you know, it's costing me just for myself at this little shop $250 a month during the winter to heat this place, and I set it at 65 and I'm shivering, so to speak. It's an old building. It's partially insulated, but I just needed something to offset the cost and maybe give me some more heat. So I bought this Eliminator. It's more affordable. Doesn't like to burn synthetic oil. I was on the fence about that, but there's still plenty of mineral-based oil out there. It'll burn transmission fluid, you know, gear oil, all that. But you know, I figured I'd give it a shot. But right out of the gate, I didn't get off to a good start with this heater. I could not keep it running, and you know, with any product, customer service is really important. And I learned that everybody at Aladdin's super helpful, and Tim Irwin especially I want to give a shout out to, because instead of complaining about this, we actually figured out what was going on with it. And it would run for an hour and a half and shut down. And it wasn't getting enough fuel. And we questioned what was going on with this. And in case you buy one of these and you have a similar issue, what I found, now you probably can't see it, but there is a hose in there, all right? And to service this, you can flip this whole box backwards. You can clean out the pickup strainer. And so we were down to like questioning what my fuel was, you know, what was in my oil. Was it contaminated? I knew pretty much beyond a shadow of a doubt that it was not contaminated fuel. And so I drained it down, and I found that that hose was actually twisted in kinks. So when you rotated this closed, it actually twisted that hose, and it was starving it for oil. And it would shut it down. The thermocouple would pick up that it was not getting hot enough, and it would shut the pump down. And I was getting pretty frustrated with it, but it was just a simple problem. But again, with any product, if you can find out, you know, what the customer service is like before you buy it, is a good idea. But I didn't check on that with Aladdin, but they were really great. I did purchase this from Acme. There are other places to shop around and look for it, but I got it through them. And but again, if you're thinking of buying one of these, you know, the customer service is great there at Aladdin. And I'm going to do future videos, so I'm just coming up into the front of winter, and we're going to see how this performs, and I'll throw out some more videos on this heater. There are other videos out on YouTube about this heater, and I actually got some really good help from a guy out there, super good guy. He worked talking back and forth to him. I'm not going to mention his name because I didn't get permission to mention his name, but he was super helpful. And anyway, so hopefully this video has maybe informed you a little bit or helped you if you have the issue I was having with a heater. And until next time, like and subscribe. Have a great night.